Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Firefox browser on Motorola Moto G Pure. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store, try to find the Firefox in a search pool, after installation process is complete you should be able to launch it. Now you can customize the browser by changing theme, toolbar, you can sign in to turn on synchronization, change the protection service or read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.